Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily breakdowns of real cop cam footage and shocking law enforcement moments that'll make you question how far authority can go. Today's story: a DHES arrest that spirals out of control, glass shattering, blood spilling, and one federal judge calling it outrageous conduct. We're diving deep into a wild confrontation where agents went way too far. A man's freedom was nearly stolen, and justice for once hit back hard. Strap in, this one's a legal roller coaster.
That's the front. That's the front. Abre la puerta, cabrón. Abre la puerta.
And here's where it gets legally wild, because what you're watching is a textbook Fourth Amendment violation waiting to happen. DHES agents broke a car window, injured themselves, and then tried to use that injury as evidence against the man they detained. That's not just reckless, it's unconstitutional. The Fourth Amendment protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures, and this moment right here, it's the exact kind of abuse those words were written for. Be honest, who do you think crossed the line here? The officer swinging through the window, or the man who refused to back down? Drop your thoughts below.
Grab a second. Yeah. Can't get in. I think they got him out. Mano atrás. Mira. No, por favor, mira. Ponga la mano atrás. Ponga su mano detrás. Ese trozo, bro. Me está ahogando, por favor. Pues pon la mano atrás. Sí, me está ahogando, por favor. Okay. Get the other arm. Get the other arm. No. Pon la mano atrás. Pon la mano atrás. Ok. Pon la mano atrás. No, por favor, no me apretes la mano. Por favor, auxilio, auxilio. Me apretó las esposas, por favor, mucho,
Separate it. Pull the stand back a little bit.
No, por favor, no me las esposas. Por favor.
At the end of the day, this wasn't just one man's fight, it was a constitutional checkpoint for the justice system. Judge Xavier Rodriguez's ruling set a precedent that officers cannot fabricate felonies out of self-inflicted harm, a huge win for civil rights. The Fourth Amendment, and anyone who's ever been on the wrong end of unlawful enforcement. But here's the catch: the man remains detained, a chilling reminder that even when justice prevails on paper, the system can still hold people hostage in reality. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to UK Cop Hub for more raw, eye-opening cop cam breakdowns. Stay smart, stay aware, know your rights.